Oh hey, remember this? What to wear Wednesday? Yeah, that's right. It's back. It's inconsistent, but it's here, it's trying. So this week's theme is first dates because as we know, lockdown isn't the easiest for dating. So I'm sure there's been quite a few first dates post-lockdown, and I thought I would give you some outfit inspo to feel confident and your best, but of course just wear what makes you feel good. Now, I filmed this a couple weeks ago, so it's a little bit summery for the current weather, but I hope you get some inspo anyway. So, outfit number one, I'm obsessed with this dress. It is from Glamorous, and it is the softest, slinkiest, most delightful little strawberry dress ever with a pussy bow. I feel adorable in this. And to toughen it up a little bit, I've teamed it with some red docs, my cherry reds, just to give it a little bit of an edgier vibe. Then I've teamed it with my burgundy bag. It's very sweet and comfortable, perfect for a first date. On to look number two. This look is casual, summer vibes. I'm wearing some linen high-waisted culottes and this really fitted, spotted nude bodysuit. It's simple, but it's flattering and comfortable. And I'm wearing my favourite shoes ever. I will link them down below. They are the most beautiful things I've ever seen in my entire life. And I'm really sad that it's nearly winter because I can't wear them as much. And then my little rattan handbag, which I love so much, but obviously the shoes just make the look. It's easy, simple, comfortable, and I feel really good in it. On to look number three, baby. We're keeping things cash, guys. Just a top, some shorts, and a bag. I love this little white smock top. I think it's adorable. I've paired it with my favourite high-waisted denim shorts. They are easy, throw on, they never fail me. On my feet, I have also teamed it with my favourite shoes and just a canvas bag or a cotton bag, because this is perfect for like a lunch, coffee, picnic date, whatever you fancy. Okay, this next look is for a lunch date maybe, or walking around the city, whatever you feel like doing. This little dress is from Zara. I'm obsessed. It's quite boxy and not the most flattering, but I think it's such a cool look with these amazing daisy high top Converse. They're amazing. And I've just teamed it with a plain black bag. Keep it simple and let the shoes do all the talking. And finally, you've seen this dress before. I love it so much. It's the perfect, sexy, slinky dress, which shows just the right amount of thigh. This would be great for dinner, drinks, and I've cinched it in at the waist with this beautiful belt. And I have paired it with some black strappy heels and a gold clutch to go with said belt. And I feel amazing in this dress. See, you don't have to buy new things for first dates. Just wear whatever makes you feel comfortable and confident. You want your first date to represent you, not what you think they want to see. So just wear what you like and have fun, guys. Goodbye.